Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sky Guy Collectors. It's your boy Luis, and we're going to be going over the unboxing of Sanji from One Piece. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Continue to like, subscribe, hit that button, spam it, do whatever you got to do. We appreciate it. On the road to New York Comic Con. And let me know what you guys think about this video. Appreciate you guys. All right, guys, we have Sanji, the fig art here. Again, this is the Wano arc here. I really appreciate the artwork here on the side. Man, I love how they have this photography and all the accessory that comes with it. Again, this is a great figure for modeling. I did get this on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Again, I love the artwork that they provide for this figure. But this is the Sanji from the Wano arc. I'm gonna just show you guys right here. It is from Figuarts again. One of their Tamashii Nations line for the One Piece. I'm gonna get this open here just to show you guys what comes in the box. So there's not much to this figure, but it does come with some hand accessories. The special effects for his legs, his face swap, his hands, and just to give you real quick, the figure, man, it looks nice. The colors are clean. His suit is clean. This guy is ready to cook up some great dynamic poses. Again, it looks like Sanji. Just the coloring and everything about it. Just to give you guys, he has that roll ball effect, so you can move him pretty well. He does bend pretty well, which I appreciate, because again, he in the anime, he is very flexible, and again, not flexible as Luffy, but his legs are something that he uses to fight. He doesn't use his hands because he only uses his hands to cook. I do appreciate the toe. You know, your boy loves the ankle joint, so see how his legs are flexible here. I'm hoping that, yes, he can do a split. Yes, great for posing, great for just overall to pose him. So now it's time to pose him. Well, guys, I hope you liked that unboxing video of Sanji from One Piece. Definitely, I'm so glad that I have this in my collection, along with Luffy. So let me know what you guys think about this figure. Put your comments below, and let me know what else should I add to my collection. So appreciate you guys. Until next time, peace.